My name is Scott Renner, and I'm an individual with a spinal cord injury. I was injured in a diving accident in 1992, which resulted in quadriplegia. My level of functioning is pretty much paralyzed from the shoulders down, as you can see. I use a sip and puff switch to manipulate a lot of my assistive technology. And I utilize that mouse stick to type and to operate the iPad. And then I use my voice also. And so today I'd like to demonstrate the Apple iPad and 5 applications that I have found very useful to me to allow me to be more independent, productive, and enjoy my recreation and leisure time. And today I'd like to share 5 applications that I use. One is drag and dictation, one is drag and search, one is quick voice, one is a to-do light, and one is cribbage. So with that, with drag and dictation, it is a free application that can be found on your iTunes store. And what this application allows you to do is talk into the iPad. And when you talk into the iPad, it will type everything you're saying. And so what I'll do is I'll tap on this red recording dot, and then I'll begin talking. This is a demonstration of how to use drag and dictation on the iPad. What you need to do today is you'll have to go see Dr. Brown so you can see everything that I talked is there on the screen. So now this will allow me to email this to myself, copy and paste it. If I wanted to, I could create a message to put on Facebook or Twitter. So it allows you to do everything. You could manipulate it into a document, a Word document, or a note document. So you can see it's a very simple, user-friendly app that allows me to easily dictate into the computer and capture everything into text. The next is I'd like to demonstrate drag and search. This is a very nice app if I want to start finding locations, phone numbers, things of that nature. If I want to just look up NASCAR.com and see how my driver did and what the points and where he is in the standings. So it's a great app where you're using the internet browser, but instead of typing in what you're looking for, you can just dictate. Similar to drag and dictate, tap on the record button, say what you want, and then it will stop. And then you'll see how that it will search for what you commanded. So let's say I want to find Pizza Hut in Auburn, Alabama, so I can order me pizza this afternoon for lunch. So what I do is hit the record button, hit say Pizza Hut, Auburn, Alabama, and you'll see where it'll bring that up for me. So you can see where it's brought up Pizza Hut for me on South College Street, giving me the phone number, the address. It even brought up a map to show me where I am and the location where Pizza Hut is. So allowing me to manipulate the internet all by voice. The next app I'd like to demonstrate is called Quick Voice. Quick Voice is very similar to a digital recorder that allows you to record what you want. And what I use this for, again, to-do list, reminders, going to the doctor, things that I need to do, or people's phone numbers, things that I can't write down that I might need to. And what this allows you to do is you can record, and then you can name that file, which makes it very easy to go back to and find the recording that you're looking for. And so, very nice app. I named it, so I know what that is. I can retrieve that when I want to. I'd like to go to my next one, To-Do List Lite. And I use this again. And this is something very simple that I can create, to-do list, check my to-do list and make sure that I'm getting things accomplished. So you can see I've created on my to-do list to go to Dr. Brown. I can tap on that and see what I need to do at Dr. Brown's. And it's telling me the date that I created it, the due date, and then it's telling me I need to pick up my wheelchair prescription at Dr. Brown's. So it's a great tool for creating to-do lists. Last, I like a lot of recreation and leisure, and one of my fun games is cribbage. My dad and me play this quite often before my injury, and it was a game that keeps my mind sharp, and I enjoy playing it. So a very fun recreation game. So that is my overview of the Apple iPad. Again, there are several apps that are out there that I feel that you'll find very beneficial, but the review of drag and dictation, drag and search, Quick Voice, To-Do List, and Cribbage are my review. Thank you, and hope you enjoy.